What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Kia Carnival started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Kia Carnival in this video, but it will end up being the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key not detected. So what I need to do is take my key fob, and if we're looking at it like this, and we're calling this the top, we're going to use the top of it to press the stop-start button. So we'll do everything else as normal, press the brake in, come over here, and I'm just going to use the top of it to press the stop-start button. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.